Hey guys, welcome out to the range. Just finished shooting a video and I remembered something that somebody asked me the other day about the Maxiflex gloves that I wear. I bought, I don't know, 6-pack, 8-pack, I forget what it was, several months ago, actually no, like a year ago. Maxiflex, and it is Maxiflex Ultimate, and these are 2XL because I'm a big dude. And anyways, they come in all sizes, all the way up to 3X, which I thought I needed and found out they were actually overkill. You want these to be a little on the skin tight side, and if you look, the creases on the fingers, it literally mimics the shape of your hand over time. It actually takes on the exact shape of your hand. If I were to take these gloves off, you'd see creases in the same exact spots on my fingers. That's how nicely, and you'll notice, it's bottomed out between the fingers. So this actually is matching the length of my very, very long fingers. And I like this. I like these. I almost said chest rig. I like these mags. Jeepers! I'm having one of those days. Hang on. I like these gloves very much. And somebody asked me recently. I think my other gloves are over there in that case behind me. Somebody asked me, would you wear those as a SHTF glove? And I said, yeah, wholeheartedly. I have dealer status, so I can buy things and try them and really not be out much money, and I can put things on the website and let them go and still make a little bit of profit. And in some cases, I've sold things off at wholesale cost just to get them gone because I tested them, I liked them, but they didn't really, do what I needed them to. I tried Oakley gloves, I tried Vertex gloves, perfectly fine. But they didn't hold a candle to these gloves. And these gloves are really, really old. You can see my thumb is coming through on that one. My index finger is kind of worn out because I believe these are the pair of gloves that I was wearing for making slings. Because the stitching procedures that I do require pull, a violent jerking action of the thread, and it wears out that thumb right there because it's always catching my nail underneath. But if I don't wear these gloves, the nylon that I use is from Indiana. It's 100% US made. It is unbelievably stout nylon, and it will, like my friend Daniel, who taught me how to do this years ago, it will cut you. You will perpetually keep a cut on your pinky and on your middle finger and on your index finger, and it'll also wear out the thumbnail because you're always doing this maneuver. With every stitch that I put into the sling, every stitch is a lock stitch, and I'm always going lock, and I go to the next one, lock, go to the next one, lock, so that these things never ever come apart on you. So if anybody can tell you about a great pair of gloves for meticulous work, it's me, because I wear these every day for what I do. But also I come out here because when you're dealing with an AR-15, there are a lot of sharp surfaces on an AR-15, and the last thing you want to do is to be taking little chunks and nicks out of your hand that you could avoid if you were just wearing a pair of gloves. So I like these gloves because they allow the weapon to slide just enough, but when I really want to grasp that weapon's not going anywhere. So yes, these gloves are absolutely worthy of your time. They will go right into the washing machine. I would not run them through the dryer because it'll ruin the rubber coating. You can toss them in the wash, and then I would just hang them inside your house near a ceiling fan or something with either magnets on a magnetic surface or with a couple of clothespins or whatever the case may be, or just lay them across the back of your couch. Don't let the cats get them. But anyways, they wash really well. Made them to each other. Invert them. You have a nice little package. I have multiples. There are some here, some here, some there. There's a pair or two in the truck. There's some in my toolbox back here for my tire repair kit. I've always got these gloves everywhere. So yes, Maxiflex gloves are good to go. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I have to hurry because this battery's going to die. Maxiflex gloves are good to go. I really like them. And yeah, I guess I should say this because now, like, everyone wants to know, did you get them for free? No. You really think Maxiflex is going to send a gun channel on YouTube? Free gloves? Grow up. I buy these. I normally buy them from Walter A. Wood Supply in Chattanooga. But guys, you can easily just get them online. But yeah, love them. So, as always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you for your sling purchases and for your donations that keep this channel independent. Guys, I thank you for watching. Even though this channel is not monetized, your views drive people to this channel, and this channel is about giving you guys truth. As always, I thank you for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out and practice. Have a good one.